Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT JAM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MSc Data Science. Number three, we give our absolute best to help you design your career by organizing workshops and certified data science courses. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IITJM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MS Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
But the question is that what is a sequence? A sequence is nothing but a function from natural number set to the real number set. Okay, so we take all the natural numbers out here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on, and we map everything to, let's say, that's some real number 5.2, 5.3, so 9.9, whatever, pi, e, and it goes on. Okay, so essentially the function, and this function can be sometimes, no, this function, so this function can be, this f can be represented analytically. By analytically means that, okay, let's say f of n is equal to sine of n, sine function. F of n is equal to n. F of n is equal to 1 by n. Like where the function is, here sine of x is the function, here x is the function, here 1 by x is the function, okay? But sometimes it cannot be. Sometimes, for example, Fibonacci series is a corresponding format. Like, if you solve it by the characteristic equations, you can form it. But Fibonacci series is a different format. This is very important. This is very important to understand because all the problems you will solve also, it's in this format. Safe can represent analytically. That means in analytical form will be given, or most of the time, safe cannot be represented analytically. So when f cannot be represented analytically, then what to do? So instead of finding the global, so what is analytic function? And a function analytically means you have the global behavior as well, like you have the every information, right? So if now you do not know the global behavior, what you will do is that you will find the local behavior. That means you will find how each element of the sequence is related to the around elements. So that is called a recurrence relation. For many local structures, you can find the global behavior. And for example, Fibonacci series f of n equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, right? F of n is equal to, let's say, something, f of n minus 1, some g of f of n minus 1, right? Some g is known. So essentially, it's related to how each of those an, like all those individual terms are related around for each n. This is called a recurrence relation, okay? And this is very important to know because you will see most of the problems in your jam also, they will be based on this recurrence relation. So remember this, okay? We will learn this about this more. So are there other ways? Yes, of course. You can find, you can always find a function. You can always define a function in differential equation format, okay? That's like, and then you can use that function here, okay? That function you defined as f hat, f dot means f dash, f dot dot means f double dash, all these things, and then you can define it, but this is not in the syllabus. So like in our course, we will be focusing on these two type of things. That means a sequence, that is f from n to r. You can also represent it as by a1, a2, dot 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 an, and it goes on, right? And each of this can be represented by its denoted by in two possible ways. One is the analytical way, another is the uh, way of reconciliation. So it's like um, f of n is equal to sine of n by n, and here f of n is equal to half times f of n minus 1 plus half times f of n minus 2. Okay, there are examples of that. So this is called reconciliation. This is called uh, so it contains every information. Actually, I would say it's not every information. It doesn't tell you the local information. So I will say it's a global format of saying, and it's a local format of saying. Local means how it's related around neighborhood region, right? So recurrent solution, like corresponding actual input for the continuous version is differential equation. This tells you the local behavior and the how like the change is happening. It's a global behavior, like how the whole function is all about. You can from there, both of them, you can from local, you can go to global behavior. You can find the actual function, but often we don't do because we don't know how to do that. Like it's hard. So probably this is not done. All of you understood this, guys? Yes or no?